If you're a homeowner, you know how annoying it is when your doorbell chime goes silent. Fixing it is easier than you think. Let's troubleshoot together. First, check if your Arlo doorbell is getting power. If it's wired, make sure the wires are tight and the breaker isn't off. For wireless models, check the batteries and replace them if needed. Next, check your Wi-Fi connection. The doorbell and chime both need a strong signal. Try moving your router closer or reconnecting your devices in the Arlo app. Still quiet? Let's look at the chime settings in the Arlo app. Open the app, tap on your doorbell, and make sure the chime is enabled. Test your chime from the app to see if it rings. If it doesn't, unplug the chime for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Sometimes a quick reset is all you need. Last step. Update the Arlo app and your doorbell's firmware. Updates can fix bugs and keep everything running smoothly. If your chime still isn't working, reach out to Arlo support. They'll help you from here. That's it. With these simple steps, your Arlo doorbell chime should be ringing again in no time.